With a stunning turn of events for a Massachusetts medical student, catapulted from early commencement to packed hospital hallways right in the middle of a pandemic in no time flat. Let's welcome new Dr. Akshay Kapoor. Dr. Kapoor, first, congratulations on graduating from med school. Obviously an amazing milestone, but due to this pandemic, I understand that your graduation was anything but typical. Tell us about it.
Thank you, Amy. Yeah, it's been surreal. It's 1 week we matched our residency programs. The following week we graduated, and the week after we were in the hospital helping take care of our neighbors. So it's been quite a whirlwind experience of the past few weeks, but we feel well prepared for it.
Yeah, tell me about what that transition was like. No one can actually prepare for something like that. How did it go?
Right. So it was actually relatively smooth, believe it or not. All of us had grown up in this community from the surrounding towns. We've been in the same hospitals. Before we came to med school, and during it, we've trained with the same providers. Our mentors are there. We know the staff. And UMass was really helpful in giving us the resources we need, and even including a COVID boot camp right before we started. So we really hit the ground running. All
right, you hit the gun running. What has your experience been like working in the hospital over these past weeks?
So given my previous experience, I volunteered in a COVID-only team. So all my patients have the virus, and many are pretty sick. So it's been really difficult. You remember every patient who passes under your care. You remember their face, you remember their family, and in just a few short weeks that I've been in the hospital, I've lost more patients and had difficult conversations with loved ones than my entire training combined thus far.
Yeah, I was going to ask you, you go through all this work through med school. What prepared you most for what you're experiencing now, if anything?
Right. I think we live in surreal times. I think everything has changed. Our school really emphasizes personal communication and being there for someone, putting a hand out when they need it. And this new climate, we're doing most of our work through the computer, on the phone, or even FaceTiming our patients. So it's been really almost nothing can really prepare you, minus knowing the confidence that you do have what you need in the back of your head, and you just get down and do the work.
Yeah, no, I mean, I can't even imagine what that's like, especially when that's what you first walk into. Have you seen some encouraging signs of hope and inspiration as you and your colleagues are fighting this virus with your patients side by side?
Definitely. I mean, the hospital is a really different place right now, like you've said. It's almost eerie and it's really empty. But there's a really strong sense of community that's emerged from this virus, and maybe that's a silver lining in all this. You see it amongst the doctors, nurses, support staff, first responders, and the community as a whole. And I think that new bond is really what's keeping us going.
Yeah, is there anything you want to say to people who, I mean, we are, by the way, so grateful and so thankful for all of you and your colleagues' tireless efforts. We are just in awe of what you do each and every day. Is there anything you want to share with the community about what we can do to help you?
It's been amazing to see the show supports in community, and I ask that they continue doing that. And remember that behind that mask that there is a smile and there's still a human, and that's been the hardest part.
It's good to know that you are feeling that love, and I can see that smile behind that mask. It's good to envision that as well, as we see all of you doing your job so diligently and so bravely. Dr. Akshay, thank you so much for being with us. We appreciate it.
Thank you, Amy.
Hi everyone, George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.